Welcome to this session on result analysis using the Sandstorm Cloud Portal. So in this tutorial, we'll see how we can generate various reports from the tests which you may have executed from your Sandstorm Cloud. So let's get started. First and foremost thing is we need to log into the portal. So let me go ahead and do that. So as soon as I log in, I get a list of the projects which are created using my user account. So let me go ahead and open one such project. And then I can go to the results tab. So here you can see the various test runs along with their duration and the total number of virtual users along with the test result ID. So let's go ahead and open one such result. Now here you can specify the start and end time to choose your steady state and get rid of your ramp up and ramp down times. And you can specify the percentile value. So let's keep it 90th percentile, which is by default for now. So as soon as you hit OK, you can see a test summary starts getting generated, and dashboard of your entire test execution is displayed on your screen, where you have the maximum users running in a particular scenario along with the total hits and average hits per second. Then there are transaction passed and fail count along with the graph, which speaks about the transaction performance summary. On the left hand side, you can see these are various graphs and reports available. So let's explore a few of them. So if we generate the summary report, then this is a transaction performance summary report where we have the various transactions along with their pass, failed, and not executed status, and their min, average, max, standard deviation, and the 90th percentile time. So similarly, you can generate different graphs. So if I open the session graph, then this will give me an overview of my session statistics. So each transaction and the response would be displayed here. Then if I go to say the virtual user running vUser graph, then we can see this is how the virtual users got executed during the entire scenario. So this is where they were slowly ramping up, and here this was the steady state, and then the user started ramping down. If we go to the web resources, then there are different reports available. So this is the HTTP response distribution. As we can see, there are 200 response codes, 300 response codes, 302, and others. So here is a pie chart with the response code distribution. Let's open one more graph. So this is the total throughput graph. If we see, this is the total bytes during the scenario, and this is the scenario elapsed time. Now, if you have a look at this, then each of these reports and graphs, they can be exported to different formats. So you can export it to a PDF or a Word or Excel format. And of course, you can directly go ahead and print them. You also have option of merging two graphs. So only thing you need to do is just select two of these graphs, and once you do a merge, then what would happen is your graphs would overlap with each other and provide you results from the entire scenario clubbed into two graphs. Let's go ahead and try one option. So running vUser and transaction response time, and Let's go ahead and merge them. So here you can see. So this is your running user graph, and this is your transaction response time graph. And on merging this, this is how your entire end-to-end graph would look like. So this is one more interesting feature. And on the left-hand side, again, you have many more reports and graphs available. So you can generate each one of them as per your requirements. So this was all about result analysis using Sandstorm. And of course, if you want to go back to your original results listing, then you can just click the results listing and it would take you to the home page of your results in a particular scenario. Should you have any questions regarding result analysis on the Sandstorm Cloud portal, you can always contact us at Sandstorm support. Thank you very much.